Hello students, today we will see the first law of thermodynamics from class 11 physics chapter. Okay, first law of thermodynamics deals with the amount of heat energy and the work done by the system and the change in the internal energy. So, the first law of thermodynamics interconnects these things. What? Heat, internal energy, okay, internal energy, and then work done. So suppose if we giving a system certain amount of energy in the form of heat, okay, so a system receives an heat in the form of receives an energy in the form of heat, then in turn how much work it does in turn, how much work it does, how much energy, so it's applied to the system by the surrounding. So if I give this system a certain amount of energy as heat del q, then in turn the work done by the system, this is the system, okay, system. So certain amount of energy in the form of heat I have given to this system. So this system in turn do some work, okay, do some work, do some energy in the form of work. So this concept ultimately relates this conservation of energy, conservation of conservation of energy. So popularly, first law of thermodynamics is also known as related with closely the conservation of energy. Okay. So first, heat. So the heat flows from the higher temperature to the lower temperature. No. So as heat increases, the internal energy. Internal energy means, so in this system, the molecules, okay, the atoms or molecules which is present inside this, okay, atoms or molecules present inside this possess some energy. They move, collide with one another, and how much energy they are possessing with each other, it is what internal energy, okay. The internal molecules possess some energy, that is what internal energy. We will denote it as U. Okay, so by giving a certain amount of heat, there will be the movement of molecules, change in movement of molecules. In turn, this will do some work. Okay, so our scientists have derived an equation relating this concept. What is that? Del Q is equals to del U plus del W. Okay, so how much heat you give, the change in internal energy plus change in work, this heat is equals to this changes. So this is what the first law of thermodynamics. Okay, in this internal energy is a state variable. Del U is a state variable. Why? What is state variable? Why it should be a state variable means, state variable means it won't depend on the path of the system change, only depend on the state of the system. So how I changing the system from one state to another state is not important for this. Only which state is present, the initial and the final state is important for internal energy. But if you see this del Q and del W, that is heat supplied and work done, these two things are not state variables, not state variables, okay, because they depend on the path by which we transfer them. So which path we use to transfer this from one system to another system is very important. While internal energy does not depend on it. Not only internal energy, we can say, you can say pressure, temperature, volume, like this. These are the state variables. Okay. So So we will now give the signs how to use this formula, how the signs changes for while taking the energy, while giving the energy, how the signs changes, that's we will see now. Now heat absorbed, okay, heat absorbed means what is the condition? Plus positive, okay. If heat is observed, del Q is observed by the system, is positive. When heat is released by the system, heat released by the system is negative. Both is by the system, okay. So heat absorbed means positive, heat released means negative, okay. So while we come into work done, del W, work done on the system means what the condition is? Negative, okay. So del W, work done by the system, okay, by the system means we will have it as positive sign, okay. So this sign varies in chemistry and physics, so be clear with that, not much difficult. So this is the conditions of first law equation, del Q equals to del U plus del W. Okay, now work done. How can we modify this equation? That we will see now. Del Q is equals to del U plus del W, correct? So work done equals to force into displacement, we know that. Okay, what is force? We can write as pressure into area. Pressure equals to force per unit area. So that what we have written, this force into D. So this area into distance we will write is at volume. So we will apply this in here. So this is at constant pressure. At constant pressure, I am writing this. Del Q is del U plus pressure is constant, so volume changes. So I have written this over here. So this is how I can modify the equation. Okay, del Q equals to del U plus del W. This equation is modified as this. Okay, clear? Now we will do some numericals. See this question, children. The change in internal energy, the change in internal energy of thermodynamic system, which has absorbed 2 kilocalories, okay, 2 kilocalories of heat and done 400 joules of work. So they have given the options. They are asked this in Kerala PMT exam. So we'll do that, this question now. So what are they given? They have given the heat and work. So they have asking the change in the internal energy, correct? So what is the condition for heat? The heat is absorbed, correct? The heat is absorbed. Then what is the numerical value? And think of that. We will do the sum now. And work done means then work done by the system, and think about the numerical value for both these conditions. Now we will do the solution for this. Okay, see this, we have to convert into SI units, that is calories. First we will convert this into calories and calories to joules. Kilocalories, how can we convert? 1 kilocalorie equals to 1000 calories, correct? So here 2 calories too, so we will write as 2000 calories. So you see here 1 kilocalorie is 1000 calories, then 2 kilocalorie 2000 calories, and they have given as 2 kilocalories. Okay, 2 calories, 2000 calories are converted. Then this calories has to be converted to joules, no? So the SI unit of heat is joules. So this calorie. So 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. Clear? This is universal. 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. So 2000 calories means 2000 into 4.2 we can put. So what is the value for del Q? 8400 joules. Okay, next, the work done. Work done is 400 joules. Okay, so see this condition, heat was observed. The condition was given as heat observed, and here the condition was given as work done by the system. Correct in the question. So both will be positive plus. So we will apply this in the question. Del Q equals to del U plus del W. So del Q is 8400 joules. Del U we have to find. Work done 400 joules. So if it's go this side, 8000 joules is internal change. So we have done one numerical now. See this question. So do this as homework, and I will give the solution for this in the next video. So try yourself, children. Don't refer any net. So next video I will give you the solution. Thank you. If you have any doubt, subscribe, comment in the comment section.